We discuss about insertion search in array. We add item, quantity, price, and profit. Insertion search is a comparison-based inserted list one item at a time by taking an element and inserting it into its correct position relative to the already sorted part of array. Step 1. Insert canton. Current key. Canton. Comparison. Compare canton with the elements inserted section. Is Canton alphabetically before Sabon? Yes. Shift Sabon one position to the right and insert Canton into the now empty position. Step 2. Insert shampoo. Current key shampoo. Compare shampoo with the elements in the sorted section. Moving right to the left. Is shampoo alphabetically before Sabon? No, since shampoo is not before Sabon, it is placed immediately after it. No shifting is required. Step 3. Insert Colgate. Current key. Colgate. Compare Colgate with the sorted section. Is Colgate alphabetically before shampoo? Yes. Shift shampoo to the right. Is Colgate alphabetically before Sabon? Yes. Shift Sabon to the right. Is Colgate alphabetically before Canton? No. Insert Colgate after Canton and before the shifted Sabon. Step 4. Sorted section currently is Canton, Sabon, Shampoo. Current key, Lollipop. Compare Lollipop with the elements inserted section. Moving right to left. Is Lollipop alphabetically before Shampoo? Yes. Shift Shampoo right. Is Lollipop is less than to Sabon? Yes. Shift Sabon to the right. Compare to Colgate. Lollipop is less than to Colgate. No, no shifting. Insert Lollipop into the position after Colgate. Result is all the products are now sorted alphabetically. Canton, Colgate, Lollipop, Sabon, and Shampoo.
We are creating these sorting products by starting with creating a function called sort products with product, quantity, price, profit. So it sorts products alphabetically A to Z with its corresponding attributes, the quantity, price, profit. It returns nothing, just go with the product. And then create an for loop. Start with int I equals 1 and I is less than count and I plus plus. So count sorts the products of how many products they are in the array. This for loop picks the item to insert. Start with index 1. On each iteration, selects the current time key name that will insert into the already sorted left portion. Store the product's name and its attributes in temporary variable so we can move other elements to the right without losing the current item. J points to the element immediately left of the key. Compare products with key name and sort as needed. And then create an while loop to ship elements that are greater than key name. Get one element and then move it to the temporary storage, the key name. Starts with index 1. Move to the key name and then compare to the left. If this side is greater than the key in this temporary storage, it moves rightwards. Then if no one was left behind, this this item in temporary storage will sort to the first element. All link array quantities, price, profit are shipped the same way to the attributes paired with their product name. And then decrement J moves the comparison one step left. The loop stops when we find a product that is greater than or equal the key name or reach the start of the array. After the inner loop ends, J plus 1 is the correct insertion index for the key. It might be the same I if no shifts happen. We place the save key and its attributes into that slot. The outer loop for increment I until it I is equal to count, at which point the entire array is sorted. Why we move the linked arrays to? Well, each product associated with attributes. When you reorder products, you must move the corresponding quantities, price, profit in the exact same way so that each product's data stays together. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something